Sabadi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Today I'm gonna show you how to make Nam Pad Thai sauce. Okay, all the ingredient we have here is really easy and simple. You know, if when you're gonna make Pad Thai, you have to get the sauce ready first. Okay, so that way make it easy for you to cook. All right. So let me introduce the ingredient to you. I use a chicken broth, and this is called อย่างน้อมันนี่ถั่วเหลืองนะถั่วเหลือง okay, vegetable oil and tamarind, and with tamarind, you know, this one is ready to use, but this one is not. You can use the hot water and soak them up like couple hours and boil them, but this one is ready to use. I prefer this one today. Okay, so and then I use a palm sugar right here and fish salt and salt, and then I use this kind of pepper, มะเขือใหญ่นะ you know, about 4 pieces, and garlic and shallot. Okay, and also you need the water too. Okay, that's all I need. Let's get started. Okay, what I do, I go ahead peel the shallot. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm peel all of this, okay? And let me show you this one. I cut this pepper, the end, and then the tip. Divide into four pieces, okay? Four pieces. Then you kind of clean it out real good, okay? Make sure nothing in there. Show you how I do it. Get all the seed out. So it have to be look like that, okay? Do one more. Sometimes it's a little hard to get them. They thin like paper thin, you know. Like that. Clean all out. Okay, and then you want to use the warm water, put in here, and like this is warm water, okay guys, and I let it soak at least an hour. Okay, like that. And then you go ahead, peel the garlic. I mean, continue until you all finish, okay? All right, I'll be back. Hey. Okay, let's get started, okay? What you need is the blender and water. Look at all my ingredients. I got them all ready, okay? So I measure everything perfect here, and it's get ready. And I also have a vegetable oil, and I turn on my pot in medium high heat right here. Pour all my oil, vegetable oil, in the pot. Okay, you want to grill the garlic first, okay? Then you want to add shallot. Go ahead, keep stir them and cook until it's color, golden color, okay? You have to do a couple times. You have to do it again because they like to stick on the side. Push it down with your spoon. The yellow bean to it, okay? โตเกียวสีเหลืองค่ะนะ I rinse with the cold water first because they kind of like really salty from the bottom. So I have to rinse it real good, okay? You just want the texture. You don't want the salt. Too salty. Now I'm going to add just tiny water into it. Okay, not quite ready yet, okay? Because it's still like white and moisture in there, I have to wait until all golden color. It is very good, right? That's what they look like, okay? Take it out. And now we're gonna add to the garlic and onion. I mean, shallot. See? That's the color that we're looking for. See? It's golden color. It's perfect, right? Now you go ahead and add this in. The reason I use that kind of pepper, they're not hot, okay? They're gonna add some color to your pad thai. Make your pad thai look so beautiful and also taste good too. This pepper is kind of like give more like sweet taste to it and aroma from that too, okay? See how beautiful color? Wow, look at that. You see the oil is turned to be orange color, beautiful, red. Well, I wish you guys in my kitchen right now. Smells so good. That is perfect color right now. You see how like the oil is become orange color or beautiful red color. So I'm going to put this to the side, okay? Okay, on this one, I'm going to add some water. Okay, so I add some water and I go ahead, put my brown sugar in here. Add my brown sugar to hot water. Little sticky sometimes. Okay, keep stir them until your sugar melting. Normally brown sugar, they melt pretty fast with the hot water. Add the tamarind paste into it. Get them all the good stuff. Okay, and then seasoning, salt, chicken flavor. feedstock. See, the sugar is already melting, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some the pepper, all the good stuff here. Add it in. Look how beautiful color. And let it continue cook, okay? I'm gonna add some more water later on too. Okay, see? This is finished. I let it shimmer about 15 minutes, okay, after I mix everything, and look at that, okay? Very nice. Go ahead, turn off the heat. It's ready. And I will wait a little bit, let it cool down, okay? And then you can put in the jar and put in the refrigerator. Prepare for your next pad thai. Every time you need to use it, take it out and use it, okay? Okay, and then hot sauce แล้วน้ำผัดไทยได้นี่ได้น้ำผัดไทย This is pad thai sauce, okay? You guys have to try this. This is very good, alright? คือตำอ่ะ